if you have the gift to hear in the spirit and you hear knocking sounds in the spirit, this is a typical tactic that witches and warlocks use to try and get you to open a physical door, right? They essentially astral project and they stand behind your door, invisible. And when you open the door, you've now given them access to come in and to attack. And yes, I do know that Jesus says in Revelation 3:20, I stand at the door and knock. If you hear my voice and open the door, I will come in. If you're not sure if it's God's voice behind that knock, do not do anything. Do not do anything from a place of uncertainty. And God can very easily open a door for you. He does not need you to open any doors. The enemy tries to get you to open doors. There is a difference, right? The key is discerning the difference. And so this is the art of spiritual warfare.